In this video, I am going to show you how to check and replace the belt safety switch. The belt safety switch is used to stop the dryer from running if the belt breaks or if the switch goes bad. Next, I'm going to show you the best way to check and replace the switch. Start by disconnecting the dryer from the wall outlet. Lean the dryer against the wall to make it easier for you to work on it. Just make sure that the dryer is not going to fall down. You will need to remove the exhaust pipe out. Unscrew the holding screw and take it out. Use a flat screwdriver to remove these covers. You could use this hole to put a light inside of the dryer to see what you're doing. And you could use this hole to unscrew and remove the switch. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the two holding screws. Please be careful. Make sure you don't drop any of the screws or you will have to open the dryer to get them. Use this hole to grab the switch and pull it out. Disconnect the belt switch from the wire harness and leave the wire harness hanging like this. Remove the switch from the holding case. This is the switch you need to replace if it's bad. Set your multimeter on the scale to read ohms. With the switch in this position, take a reading between the two terminals. The reading should be OL, meaning that electricity cannot go through the switch. And take another reading with the switch in this position. The reading should be close to 0 ohms, meaning that electricity can flow through the switch. If the reading is OL, means that the switch is bad and you need to replace it. So if the switch is bad, all you need to do is to replace it. Put the switch inside of the dryer next to the motor. Secure the switch to the motor bracket with the two holding screws. Remove the light from inside of the dryer if you use one, and install the plastic cover. And install this other plastic cover too. Put the exhaust pipe in place and secure it with the holding screw. Now, all you have to do is to try the dryer to see if it works now. If the dryer works okay, you did a good job removing and replacing the belt switch. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and you will be notified every time I make a new video. Thank you for watching. This is Angel the Appliance Man.